Hey guys, welcome back to our daily drive. I wanted to quickly show you this feature in this car that you can self-park. It's an interesting one. So we're going to come up to this vehicle here. Okay, I'm going to put my left signal on. Okay, and then there's a button on this car that is here, and then the camera will say this. Okay, so I'm just going to go a little bit further, and then it's going to sense that car, so it's going to say stop at that point. So we're going to go up to the car, and then it will say stop, space found, drive forwards to starting point. Okay, and it should tell me to stop again. Okay, there you go. And then now it will say go release steering wheel, so I've let go, and then it will shift into reverse. Okay, so I've got it into reverse gear now, and I'm going to let go of the steering wheel, and we're going to see if the car will park. You see, you can see the wheel moving automatically. All right, I just got to control the pace. I'm going to look around for safety. Okay, and then it tells you drive back slowly. It gives you all the instructions on the screen. So now watch the steering wheel. There you go, you see that? Auto steering. I'm going to keep an eye on the car there. Okay, and it's doing a perfect job at the moment. And just keep going slowly back, person walking, and watch the wheel. Okay, and it says finish parallel parking. Okay, and then if I look at the gap over there, it's literally perfect. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So let's try that again. So now I'm going to secure the car. I'm going to drive back out. Okay. Let's see. Sometimes it used to actually drive you back out, but I can't remember if this one does that or not. But anyways, so we'll go back out again. We're going to look for a parking spot. Okay. I'm going to press that button again, and it's going to search for a spot on the left. Hopefully it's found it. So give me a second. There's a car coming. So I'm just going to reverse back for a sec. It's disengaged it, so I'm going to go past this car. There's no one behind me at the moment. Okay, and then we are going to try it again. So I'm going to press the button. That's it. And now it's going to search. I'm going to signal left so it knows which side I want to parallel park. So it's searching for it. It's searching for it, and then it should tell me. Hopefully. There you go. Tells me to stop. I'm going to shift it into reverse gear, and let go of the steering wheel, and I won't change the sort of perspective now so you guys can see it. And any adjustments it needs to make, it will usually tell me. There you go. And now if I go into first drive, it's fixing that. Done. Look at that, it's parked up perfectly. Now if I go back into reverse, it will fix the wheel and it will straighten it up. Good. So there, look how neat and tidy that one is. I'll show you. Ooh, if I take my seatbelt off. Oh, look at that. And if I just drop the camera, you can see how close I am. Alright, so I got close to the curb there, and I just stopped. I put it into drive, and then it auto steers forwards for you, and then it auto steers back. So this is just how some of these modern cars are doing it. This one's really old, this car, and it still has this technology, which is quite impressive. I don't know if it actually drives out for you, so let me see. If I go into drive and I press the park button, but it shouldn't. There you go, park assist out, right side, and then not available. There you go. So some cars, they do it for you as well. But yeah, that's that. Hope that helped. Just a little bit of a gimmick. You can't really use it on a driving test at the moment, but I'm sure that'll be introduced soon. See you guys in the next daily drive.